Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make lemon mousse. First, let's gather our ingredients. You will need 4 large lemons, 4 eggs, and 1 cup of granulated sugar. Also, have 2 cups of heavy cream and 2 teaspoons of unflavored gelatin ready. Make sure your kitchen tools include a double boiler, a fine mesh sieve, and a whisk for smooth preparation. Now, let's create the vibrant lemon curd. Zest all 4 lemons and then extract their juice. In a heat-proof bowl, whisk together the lemon zest, juice, eggs, and sugar. Place this bowl over a double boiler, ensuring the water does not touch the bottom of the bowl. Stir continuously until the mixture thickens to a custard-like consistency, which usually takes about 10 minutes. Next, we'll prepare the gelatin and cream. Dissolve 2 teaspoons of unflavored gelatin in 1/4 cup of hot water, stirring until completely clear. Let it cool slightly. In a separate bowl, whip 2 cups of heavy cream until soft peaks form. Once the lemon curd has cooled to room temperature, gently fold in the dissolved gelatin, then carefully incorporate the whipped cream until just combined. Finally, it's time to chill and serve your delicious lemon mousse. Carefully spoon the mixture into your chosen serving dishes, such as small glasses or ramekins. Place them in the refrigerator and allow them to chill for a minimum of 4 hours, or preferably overnight, to ensure a firm set. Before serving, you can garnish with fresh raspberries, a sprig of mint, or a delicate curl of lemon zest for an elegant touch.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.